and you have a large curriculum to cover, my dears, no, you are not going to be spoon-fed. Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you for tuning in. My name is Adetuju Progress. Please, you can subscribe to my channel because I'm going to be bringing to you exclusive things about law school, and everything that has to do about law. So today I'm going to be talking about things I wish I had known before entering to law school. Law school. ESP Nigerian Law School, NLS. There are some things I wish I had known before I entered law school, before I gained law school admission. Because sincerely, everywhere in the world it is not easy to become a lawyer. But let me just stop talking. Alright, so I'll go straight into the video. Things I wish I'd known before I gained admission into the law school. Number one is you would have no time. I didn't know I would have no time. Fine, I've heard from my seniors, different people saying, oh, in law school there's no time, you don't have time for yourself. But yes, there was actually no time. Like, there is actually no time if you're in Nigerian law school. No time to do your own things. You have to squeeze out the time if you want to have time for yourself. For example, when I gained admission into the law school, I was on low court, so I didn't feel it, because I'm just looking at the ladies that had ears and them that they want to redo their hair. That is why law school would advise you to bring wigs as a lady. Bring wig when you're coming, because you have no time for yourself. No time to even prepare for class. Not to talk about having time for yourself, although that's another point. But you would have no time. Another thing is, law school system is different from that of the university. Yes, that is the simple truth. In the university, you can come to class unprepared. Yes, although it is good to go to class when you are prepared, but in the university, you can go to class unprepared, waiting for the lecturer to come and teach you this new topic. But I tell you, in law school, it is not the same thing. The system is totally different. Do you understand? The system is totally different. It's a different ball game entirely. It is not like the normal school. You have long hours of classes and everything. Another thing is, you would always see the extra students in class. Yes, you would always see the extra students in class. That sometimes the way they ask questions and answer you, you will feel like, is it the same book we are reading? Yes. Fine, it's good to, you feel like, oh, this person is really ahead of the class. And sometimes, oh, where did they read this? But some of them can be very confusing. So that is why even when you want to write law school exam, you have to stay away from those people. Else they'll make you feel like you haven't read anything. So one thing is that you will always see the extra students in class. And most of the time, the lecturers notice these extra students and they point questions to them, especially in class. But you will always see the extra students. You will always see the students that make you feel like you've not read anything. Another thing is, you would have tons of assignment and group work, especially. We call it group work at the Nigerian law school. You have tons of group work. For example, I myself am assistant leader for my group. We always have tons of group work that you have to submit a day before you have the course. You have to submit them a day before you have that course. So we always have tons of group work. We are always overwhelmed. Sometimes we'll stay up till 12 in the midnight, 1 o'clock doing this group work, because you have to send it to the lecturer on their mail before you appear in class. And you would always have to present it also, so you want to make yourself familiar, especially for leaders, group leaders of those particular group, assistant group leaders. You always want to make yourself familiar with the topic, else you just go to class and disgrace yourself. Another thing is your weekends will be fixed up. When we were in the university, you would always, except for examination week or examination time, you would always have time to go out on weekends, to go out with your friend, to go on a date or something. But however, when you are in the Nigerian law school, my guy, no time. No time. Your weekend will always be fixed up first. Fine, the first week, second week, you can decide to go out on your weekends. First week, second week, you can decide to go out on your weekends. But however, there's no time. Another thing is you are always supposed to prepare for class. Yes, no time, but you still have to prepare. You have to read the work, because we are always given a timetable whenever we gain admission. So you have to prepare ahead, because anyone could be called upon in class to answer questions. And I trust the Nigerian law school lecturers, they are going to come for you. If they see that you've not been reading, if they see that you are lazy, or if they see that you're not preparing very well, so they can call on anybody. There are days whereby they will call on people wearing wigs. There are days whereby they will call on ladies on low cut. So you always have to prepare for class. I didn't know that. Fine, I know it is good to read, it is good to prepare, but it is not just a good thing to do. It is something that is necessary and very important. Another thing is you do more of practical aspect of the law. In the Nigerian law school, you do more of the practical aspect of the law. You will always have scenarios of a court session, the judge, the lawyer, the counsel, and the accused or the defendant, whatever. You would always have the practical aspect of law at Nigerian law school, unlike the university where we are just taught the theoretical aspect. Fine, we have days we do moots and mock trials in the university, but that is just once in a while. What I'm just saying is that in the Nigerian law school, you will do more of the practical aspect of law. More of the practical aspect of law, and at a point, you would have to go for externship, court attachment, chamber attachment, whereby you see what is really happening in real life. No drama, nothing. You will see everything that is really happening, how the system works. Another thing is you would never get enough sleep. From your day of admission, the day you come into the law school, till the day you finish writing your bar finals, till the day you write your bar finals, you would never, my dear brothers and sisters, never get enough sleep. Fine, there are days in the afternoon where you just squeeze sleep into your reading, your schedule and all that. You can do that, but you would never get enough sleep. If you sleep 8 hours, 7 hours, you have to tighten up your belt or tighten your belt, because it's a different thing entirely when you get to the Nigerian law school. Another thing is you will not be spoon-fed, unlike in the university. Yeah, this is true. They are not going to spoon-feed you at the law school. No. And the university, when you don't understand, you can easily raise up your hand, ask your lecturers over and over again, tell him to explain over and over again. And if your lecturer is nice enough, he's going to do all that. But in law school, where you have 2,000 and something students, and you have a large curriculum to cover, my dears, no, you are not going to be spoon-fed at all. They're going to give you everything fine, they will explain to you, but they expect you to quickly grab and understand, because it is actually like a postgraduate course. You finish university. This is the law school. I hope you understood. I hope I've really helped you with everything I've said. No time, you will not be spoon-fed, you won't have enough time for sleep, your weekend will be fixed up. Everything I've talked about, I hope this video really helped you. And please, if it did, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to comment. Please comment so I begin to have audience. Comment, give it a thumbs up, and subscribe to my YouTube channel, because I'm going to be bringing you exclusive things about law. God bless you. Bye.